To create a Phantom wallet, start by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the download link for the browser extension. Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive Solana cryptocurrency and other Solana-based tokens. Once the extension is installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet. You will be prompted to create a password for your wallet. Make sure it is strong and unique. After creating your password, Phantom will generate a recovery phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down the recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. Do not share it with anyone. Now that your wallet is created, you can send Solana cryptocurrency to it. To do this, you will need to get your wallet address. In the Phantom Wallet extension, click on the Receive tab and you will see your Solana address. You can share this address with others so they can send you Solana cryptocurrency. When you want to send Solana cryptocurrency to someone else, simply click on the Send tab, enter the recipient's Solana address, and the amount you want to send. Then confirm the transaction. It is essential to keep your Phantom wallet and recovery phrase safe, as losing access to your wallet can result in losing your Solana cryptocurrency. Always use strong and unique passwords and keep your recovery phrase in a secure location. By following these steps, you can create a Phantom wallet and start sending and receiving Solana cryptocurrency. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and follow best practices to protect your assets.